everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple and a quick step on how to download Stumble Guys game for your Android device. So in order to do that, watch the video till the end and follow the steps. Get started by opening up your Play Store on your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet so that you can download the application smooth. Go to the search box and type in Stumble Guys. Once you perform your search, go ahead and tap on the install button to begin the download process. Wait for the application to download and install, which will only take a few minutes. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see the play button. Tap on it to launch open Stumble Guys for your Android device. That is how you can easily download Stumble Guys for your Android device with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.